how do you develop winning products?
I think to try it with the customer as fast as possible and then validate if they actually like it or not.
And this year, to this year's Lean Kanban Nordic 2015 conference, we've invited some of the most interesting people that do this in real life with real products. People from King to talk about how they develop and evolve their games using feedback, how they cross-sell between their different products. Henrik Niebuhr to talk about how Spotify evolve their product using feedback. And a bunch of people that actually developed a completely new ski along with a community. From idea to winning products using a community interaction, which I find really interesting to listen to.
Yes.
And in the early phases of the discovery, we also have the contracted part. And here we have Jesper, who comes and talk about how they developed a completely new system using agile contracting. A huge mega project was very successful in Denmark, and how the agile contracting helped during those early phases. But what more interesting can we see?
I think Barry O'Reilly's hypothesis-driven development is a very interesting evolvement of how to think about product development using the scientific method to actually test and validate your product ideas.
Yeah, and I'm really interested to see also Melissa Perry coming here.
Yes.
A lean UX girl.
Yes.
What is she here to talk about?
She's going to talk about what she calls the product terminator. Is how do we get out and test our product as early as possible so we can decide if we're going to kill our darlings or if we should move on to the next things.
Because it's so easy to get married to your ideas, right?
Absolutely. But then we have Patrick actually talks about that you should love your ugly babies with his discovery Kanban and how you can use the Kanban method even upstream and foster your ideas to create fast feedback and evolve your ugly babies to lovely babies.
So I look forward to a debate between those two.
Yeah.
But finally, we also we talk about how feedback cycles can be used within the delivery cycle when you actually deliver and build your products.
Absolutely, and we have Mike Barrows who talks about the depth of using Kanban inside your organization and how you can utilize that to be even more focused on delivering your products.
Right, super interesting. At the end, we also have Simon Marcus coming here. And what is he going to talk about?
So Simon Marcus that is currently at Spotify, but before he joined them, he worked with a company that has stagnated for some time and turned them around to be one of the leading companies in that industry using fast feedback and the scientific kind of method for to improve that company.
And really interesting to hear what he's going to say, to show that this is not just a method, this is something that actually evolves your organization.
Absolutely.
So, very welcome to this year's Lean Kanban Nordic 2015 Fast Feedback.
On the 20th of October.